Welcome to Brindavan, a Parthasadi family Samarpanam to our beloved parents, a space for enjoying Vaishnava Sampradaya, slokas, songs, Divya Desa Pasurams, and much more. Namaskar Mutha Bhagavatas. Today, Kulasekara Alvar Thirumal Chatram. We will sing Perumal Tirumazhi, sung by Kulasekara Alvar. We will also try to see the meanings in a very simple form for the Pasuram. This is not meant to be a Vyakhyanam, but just a simple understanding of the meanings. This will be in the form of a playlist where we will have 10 videos for 10 Padigams. We dedicate this to our parents, Rajalakshmi and Srinivasa Iyengar, and Kamala and Seshadri. Our mission of Vrindavan will focus on 4 pathways to Vaishnavanubhavam: Pasurams and Slokas in Santai form, Pasurams and Slokas as music, Divya Kshetra Mahimai, and classical art forms. Ramanuja Daya Patram Jnana Vairagya Bhushanam Srimad Venkatanathāryam Mande Vedanta Desikam Sri Sailesa Daya Patram Deepatyadi Gunattamam Yatindra Pravanam Mande Ramyaja Mataram Munim. Our Dandavat Pranams and Dhanyavad to Professor Sriman Gomatam Seshadri Ramkumar Swamin for teaching us Divya Prabandham with Arthabhavam, and Sudarshan Narasimharaghavan Swamin, Balaji Ramanujam Swamin, Aravind Narasimharaghavan Swamin for the Santai Kainkaryam of the Pasurams. Our heartfelt thanks and Dhanyavad to Dr. Chitra Madhavan for having sung the Mannapugal Padigam of Perumal Tirumazhi. The following organizations have provided a wealth of knowledge on the internet for us to enrich and enjoy, some of which have been used here. Kulasekara Alvar was born as the Amsam of Bhagavan's Kaustubam, which Perumal is wearing, and his Acharyan was Sriman Narayana. He was born in the 8th century AD on Masi Punarpusam. His father's name is Dridavarta. He was the king of the Cheranad, that is in the Kerala. The place is called Thiruvanjikalam in Periyar district. Kulasekara Alvar had other names, as he was called Kollikavalan, because he was the protector of the Kavalan of the Kollirad. Kudal Nayagan, because he won over Madurai. Kozhikode, Villavarkon, and Cheralarkon are some of his other names. He belonged to the Chera dynasty, and he was the son of Dridavarta, and he had a daughter called Ila. She is also known as Chera Kulavalli. His works are Mukunda Malai and Perumal Tirumazhi. We will now see Perumal Tirumazhi in a slightly different Arthanubhava. We will enjoy together the Sringara Rasam in Perumal Tirumazhi. Perumal Tirumazhi is a set of 105 pasurams compiled into 10 padigams. Some of the padigams have 11 pasurams, some have 10. Kulasekara Alvar has very beautifully sung these pasurams, has different anubhavams which we can truly enjoy in our own way. The first padigam is about his love and beauty for Aranganathan and his thabam. he feels, when can I see Bhagavan? Where can I see the Srirangam Ranganathan? How can I see him? What is the pathway? He describes his own imagination of Bhagavan in the first Padigam. Iruliriya Chudar Manigal. In the second one, he starts thinking. He says, I have to be Adiyarku Adimai. I have to be the Adimai of the servant of the devotees of Aranganathan. Then Aranganathan will be happy with me, with what I am doing, because I am serving his devotees who are totally towards him, and he will give me the darshan. So he says, that is Tetarum Tiralte. That is the second Padigam. In the third Padigam, he starts thinking, okay, what else can I do? He says, what is this life? Why am I here? What are we here for? He says, Meyyil Varkai, what is the truth in this life? The truth in this life is essentially, we have to pray or we have to surrender ourselves to Bhagavan and ask for moksham, which is the ultimate happiness, which is the eternal happiness, which we should ask for. He says, okay, now I'm going to ask for that. How should I ask for that? He now goes to Tiruvengadam and sings about Tiruvengadamudiyar. He says, Bhagavane, give me some place, Kainkarya Prarthana. I have to do some Kainkaryam in this Tirumala, so that I can keep seeing you always. He says, I can be born as a bird, or I can be as a fish in this Pushkarani, or I want to be that padi or the doorstep, so that all your adiyas can walk over me, and then I can be that portion and I can look up to your face all the time. Finally, he says, Yedana, something, I will be born as something here. I want to do some Kainkaryam. That is his thaba. Then he realizes, okay, whatever I am going to ask for, whom else can I ask? I have Ananya Gati. I have no other way. There is no other pathway. I have no other way of any refuge excepting to pray to you. Then he goes to Trivitvakod. Trivitvakod is a Divya Desam in Kerala, and he starts singing Tarathurayam Tarathuyaram Tadayel. And there he says, you are the only refuge for me. I have no other refuge. And Tiruvatvakoda is a Divya Desam sung only by, it has the uniqueness that it has been sung only by Kulasekara Alvar. And after seeing all this, then he starts imagining himself as Devaki. Just like the Devaki missing out on Krishna's attitude, on Krishna's childhood pranks, activities, she starts missing and she starts crying, and she feels so bad that she has been left out in that. And all the enjoyment of Krishna, though she gave birth to Krishna, all his enjoyment was by Yashodamata. And then similarly, this is about Krishna avatar. Then he becomes Dasharatha. He says, okay, I have been put in such a situation that I have to ask my son Rama to go to the forest, which is very wrong, and I have done that. And he starts singing of all that. So all these gives the thabam and it brings out the love for Bhagavan, Alva's love for Bhagavan. Now after he does all of this, Bhagavan, he comes to Chidambaram, where he sees Rama in Chitrakutam, Govindaraja Perumal. And that is the last 10 padigams, where Bhagavan gives him the darshanam, Rama as in Chitrakutam. Once he gets that darshanam, he becomes very happy, and he again shows his love for Bhagavan through a Naika Bhavam, Yermalar Pungural, where he, with Kannan Perumal, with Krishna and the gopis. And then Lord Rama is a very favorite, or he is the biggest Perumal for Alvar, for Kulasekara Alvar. And so he becomes Kausalya and sings a very beautiful thalat part or a lullaby for Chakravarti Thirumagal. We have described the order of the pasurams in a little different way to bring out the story of the how Alva's love for Bhagavan brought him to see Bhagavan, to get the anubhavam of Bhagavan, and then become, from the tabam, it becomes a joy. So that is Kulasekara Alvar, Perumal Tirumari. Now we will see the Navarasam. What is Navarasam? We'll see in the next few minutes, and then we'll see the Sringara Rasam in Perumal Tirumari. Embermanar Ramanujar and Manakal Nambi Ramamishrar have made the Taniyan for Kulasekara Alvar. Embermanar's Taniyan. இன்னமுதம் ஊட்டுகிறேன் இங்கே வா பைங்கிளியே தென்னரங்கம் பாட வல்ல சீர்பெருமாள் பொன்னஞ்சிலை சேரர் நுதலியர்வேல் சேரர்கோன் எங்கள் குலசேகரன் என்றே கூறு. Manakal Nambi, also known as Ramamishrar, also made Taniyan for Kulasekara Alvar. ஆரம் கெடப்பர நண்பர் கொள்ளார் என்று அவர்களுக்கே வாரங்கொடு குடப்பாம்பிற் கையிட்டவன் மாற்றலரை வீரங்கெடுத்த செங்கோல் கொல்லிகாவலன் வில்லவர்கோன் சேரன் குலசேகரன் முடிவேந்தர் சிகாமணியே. Now, as we do Pradakshinam in the temple, we will listen to Sriman Balaji Ramanujan Swami doing the Santai Kainkaryam for Vithuvakotamman from Perumal Tirumari 5.1 to 5.10.
இன்னமுதம் முட்டுகேன் இங்கே வா பைங்கிளியே தென்னரங்கம் பாடவல்ல சீர்பெருமாள் பொன்னஞ்சிலை சேர் முதலர்வேல் சேலரக்கோன் எங்கள் குலசேகரன் என்றே கூறு. ஆரங்கடப்பரன்பர கொள்ளார் என்று அவர்களுக்கே வாரங்குடப்பாம்பிற் கையிட்டவன் மாற்றல்லரை வீரங்கொடுத்த செங்கோல் கொல்லிகாவலன் வில்லவர்கோன் சேரன் குலசேகரன் முடிவேந்தர் சிகாமணியே.
Kulasekara Alvar starts expressing his love, and where we see the Sringara Rasam in the first padigam, where Alvar is singing about Perumal's beauty, expressing his love for Arangan, the Lord of Srirangam, Aranganathan. It is a padigam which has 11 pasurams.
இருளியச் சுடர்மணிகள் இமைக்கும் நெற்றி இனத்துத்தி அணிபணம் ஆயிரங்களார்ந்த அரவரச பெருஞ்சோதி அனந்தனென்னும் அணிவிளங்கும் உயர்வெள்ளை அணையமேவி திருவரங்கப் பெருநகருள் தென்னீர் பொன்னி திருக்கையால் அடிவருடப் பள்ளி கொள்ளும் கருமணியைக் கோமளத்தைக் கண்டுகொண்டு என் கண்ணினைகள் என்றுகொலோ கலிக்கும் நாளே.
In this Pasuram, as Alvar opens up Perumal Tirumali, he sings about the beauty of Perumal because of his love and his thabam or his anxiousness as to when he would see that Perumal. So he is imagining Perumal and he is saying, which Perumal is this? Arangan, Sri Ranganathan or Sri Rangam. இருளெறியச் சுடர்மணிகள் இமைக்கும் நெற்றி, that is the forehead of Perumal is so effulgent that it is removing the darkness around. Perumal himself is so effulgent. So wherever he is, the darkness or the ignorance of that place is gone. He removes all of that. இனத்துத்தி அணிபணம் ஆயிரங்கள் ஆழ்ந்த அரவரச பெருஞ்சோதி அனந்தன் என்னும் அணிவிளங்கும் உயர்வெள்ளை அணையை மேவி. That means he is lying down on Anantan. Anantan is Adiseshan. It is a Perunjodi. It is a huge light or huge effulgence of Anantan. And it is that Anantan is white in color. Vellai Anaya Mevi. So he is having that Anantan as his bed. And he is lying down on that. Thiruvaranga Perunagarul Tennir Poddi Thiraikayal Adivarila Pandikollum. That is that. Arangan is lying down. Where is he lying down? In Thiruvaranga Perunagar. That is in the big beautiful town of Srirangam. And how is that Perumal? Karumani. He is dark in color. He has a dark hue. And Komalam. Komalam is the very soft beauty. கருமணியை கோமளத்தை கண்டுகொண்டு என் கண்ணினைகள் என்றுகொலோ கழிக்கும் நாளே. That is, when will I enjoy that Perumal? He describes the beauty of Perumal and shows his thabam as to when he will enjoy that. This is his, we see the Shringara Rasam in Vipralamba. So we see Viyoga, where Alvar is wanting to be with Perumal and he is expressing his love.
வாயோ ஈரைருநூதூதங்களார்ந்த மலையுடம்பில் அழல் நாகம் உமிழ்ந்த செந்தி வீயாத மலர் சென்னி விதானமே போல் மேன்மேலும் மிகையெங்கும் பரந்தன் கீழ் ஆயாம்பூ மலர்பிறங்களண்ண மாலை கடியரங்கத் தரவணையில் பள்ளி கொள்ளும் மாயோனை மனத்தூணே பத்தி நின்று என் வாயார என்றுகளோ வாழ்த்தும் நாளே.
In this Pasuram, again Alvar describes how Anantan or Adiseshan has given his lap to Embaraman to recline in Srirangam. And he has the 1,000 heads to praise Embaraman with his, each head has a mouth with which he praises Perumal. வலை உடம்பில் அழல்நாகம் உமிழ்ந்த செந்தி வீயாத மலர்ச்சென்னி விதானமே போல் மேன்மேலும் மிகையெங்கும் பறந்து அதன் கீழ். He says, the 1,000 heads is like a canopy, and the 1,000 mouths and the head is like a canopy, and they prevent the enemies from approaching Perumal. This is very similar to the Vartha or the Pallandu Vartha of Perumal sung by Periyalvar when he is singing the the Kapu. So similarly, he said, Ananta Alvar is the Kapu for Perumal. So he is preventing enemies from coming. How is that Perumal, that Arangan? He appears like a garland with the purple color flowers. Great person. He is the Mal, Annamalai. Kayambu Malarpirangal Annamalai. That is, he is like the purple flower garland on a white Adiseshan. Kadiyaranga Aravanattavil Pallikollu. That is, he is lying down on the rock of Srirangam and fortified by big walls. Aravanai means big walls of the Srirangam temple. That Mayon, that great Emberman, that great Srimanarayana, that Ranganatha, with all his fragrance, Mayonai Naruvanate Patti Nindru. I want to stand there and hold the stambam, hold the pillars, and Vayara Yendugalo Vartum Nale. I want to hold that and sing about that Mayon, that great Perumal, and sing with my mouth. Vayara Yendugalo, that is, with all my satisfaction, I want to sing about that Perumal. So this again shows Alva's love for Perumal and his tabam, which comes out of the love.
எம்மான் பெண் அயன்னான்கு நாவினாலும் எடுத்தே தீரண்டு முகமும் கொண்டு எம்மாடும் எழில் கண்கள் எட்டினோடும் தொழுதே தீனிதிரஞ்சு நின்ன செம்பன் அம்மாந்தன் மலர்க்கமலக் குப்பூழ் தோன்ன அணியரங்கத் தரவணையில் பள்ளி கொள்ளும் அம்மாந்தன் அடியினை கீழ் அலர்களிட்டு அங்கடியவரோடென்றுகளோ அணுகும் நாளே.
Here, Alvar describes Perumal and feels that he is longing to be at the divine feet of Perumal along with his followers and offer him flowers. He says, golden hued Emberman or Sriman Narayana is lying on the mattress of Adiseshan with his divine navel, which is like a lotus flower, inside the temple in Srirangam. The Srirangam temple is like an ornament for the samsara. Brahma, who has 4 tongues and who is praising Emberman, has 4 faces with which to recite the 4 Vedams. And he has 2 eyes in each face, which makes it 8. And he is standing on all sides with folded hands and is waiting to prostrate to Sriman Narayana. And Narva says, when will I be able to do that? So he is feeling that he is missing Perumal and he is describing, expressing the Shringarasam and the beauty of Perumal.
மாவினை வாய் பிளந்துகந்த மாலை வேலை வண்ணனை என் கண்ணனை வன் குன்றமேந்தி ஆவினை அன்றுய்யக் கொண்ட ஆயரேத்தை அமரர்கள் தன் தலைவனை அந்தமிழின் பாப்பாவினை அவ்வடமொழி பற்றார்கள் எழிலரங்கத் தரவணையில் பள்ளி கொள்ளும் ஓவினை நாவிழத்தி எந்தன் கைகள் ஒய்மலர்த்தூ என்றுகளோ கூப்பும் நாளே.
In this pashram, Alvar expresses his love towards Perumal, asking, when will I have the bhagyam of offering flowers to this Perumal and worship him in a divine manner? To which Perumal? He said, that Perumal who destroys the enemies of his followers. Maavinai Valpilandu Uhanda Malai. That Perumal who killed the demon who came in the form of a horse by splitting the mouth. Velai Vandhanai, the one who has the hue of an ocean, like dark blue ocean color is the hue of Perumal. En Kannanai, my dear Kannan, my dear Emberman, who is very beautiful. One Kundamendi Avanai and Uyakkonda Ayarerai. This refers to Bhagavan doing the Govardhanagiri to protect his followers, to protect his bhaktas, to protect his devotees in Ayarpadi, to teach a lesson for Indra, who sent incessant rains. So Bhagavan did Govardhanagiri Atam. So he showed us how he can take care of everybody. Amarargal Tam Talaivan. He is the head of the Nityasuris. Andamizhai Inbap Pavinai. He speaks like the songs or the hymns of Arulichal or Divya Prabandha Pasurams. Avvadamozhi, that is Srimad Ramayanam, is in Sanskritam language. So those who are not able to follow the northern language, which is Sanskritam, for them I am singing this song. But Vadamozhiyai Patrattargal, those who do not have liking or an earp or towards the northern languages like the Sanskritam, he is singing this song. He is singing this song on Perumal, who is in Thiruvarangam. Pattattargal Arangathu Aravanayil Palli Kollum Kovinai. That I am singing this song for those who are not inclined towards the Sanskritam language about this Perumal who is in Srirangam, Aranganathan. And when will I get that Bhagyam to offer flowers? Endan Kaigal Koyimala Thuvendru Endrugalo Kuppum Nale. He said, when will I be able to offer the flowers that I will pluck from the garden and offer it to Perumal, Srirangam, Ranganathan? He talks about the beauty and he talks about his love for Perumal and he is wanting to make his offerings.
இணையில்லா இன்னிசையாழ் கெழுமி இன்பத் தும்புறவும் நாரதனும் இறைஞ்சி ஏத்த துணையில்லா தொன்மலர் நூல் தோத்திரத்தால் தொன்மலர்கண் அயன் வணங்கி ஒவ்வாதேத்த மணிமாட மாளிகைகள் மல்கு செல்வ மதிலரங்க தரவணையில் பள்ளி கொள்ளும் மணிவண்ணன் அம்மானைக் கண்டுகொண்டு என் மலர் சென்னி என்றுகளோ வணங்கும் நாளே.
In this pasuram, Alva sings about the divine music that is there in Paramapadam. இணையில்லா இன்னிசை யாழ் கெழுமி இன்பத் தும்புருவும் நாரதரும் இறைஞ்சி ஏத்த. That is, there is no equivalent. It's a yal music. Yal is a stringed instrument which is very similar to Veena and it has no equal. It produces such melodious music. And who are there? Tumburu and Narada Maharishi are in a blissful state because of the music. And they are offering their prayers. Iranji Eta, they fall at the divine feet of Sriman Narayana. And he also says, next he says, Tunayilla Tonmarainul Tothirathal Ton Malarkal Ayan Vanangi Ovadeta. That is, the hymns and sastrams of the ancient Vedas which have no equal, and the Itihasas and the Puranas which explain the Vedams are all filled with music. And as Brahma, who was created by Emberman from his divine navel, he prostrates at the divine feet of Emberman and praises Perumal continuously. Always he is keeping praising to Perumal. Which Perumal? Manimada Maligai Malgu Selvam மதிலரங்கத்து அரவணையில் பள்ளி கொள்ளும் மணிவண்ணன் அம்மான் தன்னை. That is, there is huge big temple walls which is around the temple, and there is Mada Maligai, beautiful palaces and mansions in that place. And in that place is Srirangam, where there are big walls, and Aranganathan is lying on Anantalvan. மணிவண்ணன் அம்மானை கண்டுகொண்டு என் மலர்ச்சென்னி என்றுகளோ வணங்கு நாளே. He says, when will I be having the bhagyam of decorating him with the flowers and bow down to his feet, to that beautiful Emberman, that divine form, who is like a beautiful bluish gemstone. So Alvar is showing his love for Perumal, and he is describing Perumal in such a beautiful manner that the whole picture comes in front of our eyes, and we stand along with Alvar, waiting for the bhagyam to pray to that Aranganathan.
அலிமலர் மேல் அயனரன் இந்திரனோடு ஏனை அமரர்கள் தம் குழுவும் மரம்பயரும் மத்தும் தெளிமதிசேர் முனிவர்கள் தம் குழுவும் உந்தி திசை திசையில் மலர் தூவிச் சென்று சேரும் களிமலர் சேர் பொழிரங்கத் துரகமேறி கண் வளரும் கடல் வண்ணர் கமலக் கண்ணும் ஒளிமதிசேர் திருமுகமும் கண்டுகொண்டு என் உள்ளமிகு என்றுகளோ உருகும் நாளே.
In this pasaram, Alvar sings about the beauty of Paramapadam and the others who are enjoying Sriman Narayana in Paramapadam. அழியலர் மேல் அயனரன் இந்திரனோடு ஏனை அமரர்கள் தம் குழும் அரம்பயர் மற்றும். That is the Brahma who came out of the navel and who is sitting on the lotus flower, and Indra and all the other celestials along with Ramba and are all in Paramapadam. மற்றும் தெளிமதிசேர் முனிவர்கள் தம் குழுவும். All of the rishis are there. All the Muktatmas and the Nityasuris are all there. And all the entities are fighting with each other to take precedence over the rest. That is, each one wants to have Perumal Darshanam. So they fight with each other to say who is to get the priority. And திசை மலர் தூவி சென்று சேரும் களிமலர் சேர்ப்பு அரங்கத்து உரகம் ஏறி. And he says, in all the directions, flowers are strewn on all sides of Srirangam. And Anantalvan is on the top of the temple of Srirangam, which is surrounded by gardens where the beetles are swarming on the flowers, eating the honey. Kanvalam kadalvana kamalakannum. That Bhagavan, that Arangan who is lying down on that Adiseshan has beautiful lotus-like eyes, and he has the complexion of the ocean. ஒளிமதில் சே திருமுகம் கண்டு கொண்டு, having darshan of the divine face, திருமுகமும், that is ஒளிமதிசே, that is a splendor and the effulgence of the moon is seen in that Bhagavan, Sriranganathan. என்னுளோ மிக என்று கொலோ உருகு நாளே. When will I be able to melt after seeing that Emberman?
மரம் திகழும் மனமொழிந்து வஞ்சமாத்தி ஐம்புலன்கள் அடக்கிடர் பாரத் துன்பம் துறந்து இருமுப்பத் தொழுதேத்து எல்லையில்லா தொன்னறிக்கண் நிலை நின்ற தொண்டரான அறம் திகழும் மனத்துவர்த்தம் கதியை பொன்னி அணியரங்கத் தரவணையில் பள்ளி கொள்ளும் நிறந்திகழும் மாயோனைக் கண்டன் கண்கள் நீர் மல்க என்றுகளோ நிற்கும் நாளே.
In this Pasuram, Alvar says about how one should give up all the bad qualities and get all the good qualities, how we should pray to Perumal. So, மரம் திகழும் மனம் ஒழித்து வஞ்சமாற்றி ஐம்புலங்கள் அடக்கி இடர்பார துன்பம் துறந்து, which means he says you have to maram tigarum manam ஒழித்து, that is you have to give up the bad qualities such as anger, cruelty towards others and towards someone who is, even if they do harm to you, you should still be able to not curse them. That is the maturity what we should get. And without, there should not be any trace of any hatred towards anyone. And then we should get rid of falsehood, that is falsely claiming something or falsely trying to do something. So all should be gone. And after we get rid of all this, and we should be able to control ஐம்புலன்கள் அடக்கி, all the indriyas, that is your senses, should be able to control, and then get rid of all the shortcomings with the five senses. Then how should we be? இருபொழுதேத்தி இருமுப்பொழுதேத்தி எல்லையில்லா தொன்னரிகண் நிலை நின்ற தொண்டரான அறம் திகழும் மனத்தவர்த்தம் கதியை பொன்னி, which means that you will have to pray to Perumal 3 times, worshipping him constantly, morning and evening. And எல்லையில்லா தொன்னரிகள், we should not be afflicted by anyone who is engaged in wrong things. We should be engaged only in ancient methods of doing Thiruvaradhanam or worship, divine worship to Perumal. Aram திகழும் மனத்தவர்த்தம் கதியை, one who is considered as supreme refuge by these Sri Vaishnavas who show mercy, and that should be the basic nature. அணியரங்க தரவணையில் பள்ளி கொள்ளும், that is that Arangan who is lying down on the Adisesha. நிறம் பள்ளி கொள்ளும் நிறம் திகழும் மாயோனை கண்டன் கண்கள் நீர்மல்க என்றுகளோ நிற்கும் நாளே. When will I have the bhagyam of standing in front of that Arangan with tears in my eyes because of my love for that Arangan, Ranganathan in Srirangam. This again shows all the love. The tabam comes from the love and the description of Perumal. He also tells us how one should be devoted to Perumal in this Pasuram.
கோலார்ந்த கொடுஞ்சார்கம் கூணரச் சங்கம் கொலையாழி கொடுத்தண்டு ஒத்தவள்பால் காலார்ந்த கதிக் கருடன் என்னும் வெந்திக் கடும்பறவை இவையனைத்தும் புறஞ்சூழ் காப்ப சேலார்ந்த நெடுங்கழனிச் சோலை சூழ்ந்த திருவரங்க தரவணையில் பள்ளி கொள்ளும் மாலோனை கண்டின்பக் கலவி எய்தி கல்வினையேன் என்றுகளோ வாழும் நாளே.
In this Pasuram, Alvar describes his Sringara Rasam as describing the beauty of Bhagavan, holding all his Panchayudam and the Sargam, Kolanda Nedum Sargam, Kunal Sangam, that is his Panchajanyam, and his Kol Ari, Kolayari, that is, which is his Sudarshana Chakra, and Kotravalval, that is his sword, and Kodum Tande, that is, which is Kaumodiki, or his Gada, his Bhagavan is taking all of this, and what is he doing? He is coming on Garuda. Kalanda Gadigarudan ennum Vennira Kadum Paravai. That is the bird which can really come very swiftly. Bhagavan is coming on that. Evayanathum Puramsur Kappa. That is, he is holding everything and coming to protect his devotees. Where is he coming? சேலறந்த நெடுங்கழனி சோலை சூழ்ந்த திருவரங்கத்து அணையில் பள்ளி கொள்ளும். So he is coming and he is lying down on Adiseshan with all his Panchayudam on Garudan and lying down on Anantasena. And he says, when will I have the bhagyam to pray to this Perumal? Inda Kalavi Eidi, that is this Pere Perumal, who has unmatched bliss. He cannot be matched with anything. Valvinayen endugalo kondukalo varu nale. When will I live as part of his Nitya Vibhuti? That is, Alvar is talking about Perumal's Gambiram as a Shringar, as his beauty, coming with all of that to protect his devotees. And Alvar said that we should all pray to be with Emberman in the Nitya Vibhuti, enjoying eternal bliss.
தூராத மனக்காதல் தொண்டர் தங்கள் குழாம் குழுமி திருப்புகழ்கள் பலவும் பாடி ஆராத மனக்களிப்போடழுத கண்ணீர் மழை சோர இனந்துருகி ஏத்தி நாளும் சீராந்த முழுவோசை பறவை காட்டும் திருவரங்க தரவணையில் பள்ளி கொள்ளும் போழாழி அம்மானைக் கண்டு துள்ளி பூதலத்தில் என்றுகளோ புரளும் நாளே.
In this Pasuram, Alvar sings about how one should give up all the material happiness and sing in praise of Bhagavan. தூராத மனக்காதல் தொண்டர்கள் குழாம் துழுமி திருப்புகழ்கள் பலவும் பாடி. That is, you will have to give all the material happiness and the samsara bandham and join together and sing. திருப்புகழ்கள் பலவும் பாடி. Sing the praise of Bhagavan. ஆராத மனக்களிப்போடழுத கண்ணீர் மழை சோழ நினைந்துருகி ஏத்தி. Yes, we have to recite the divine names which will give insatiable happiness. நினைந்து உருகி, we have to melt reciting the name of Bhagavan. நாளும் சீராந்த முழவோசை பறவை காட்டும் திருவரங்கத்தனில் பள்ளி கொள்ளும் போராழி அம்மானைக் கண்டு. That is, you have to think about him and always sing about him. And sing about whom? That Perumal who is in Thiruvarangam, who is lying down. And when will I forget sitting with pride and roll down the earth with great joy and go to Perumal? When that day will come, that I will பூதளத்தில் என்றுகளோ புரளும் நாளே. When will I roll on the ground singing about the praise of Perumal? This is what Alvar says. That is, he is showing his tabam. That is his love for Perumal and his longing to be with Perumal. That's Srirangam Perumal.
வன்பருக வானகமுய்ய அமரருய்ய மண்ணுய்ய மண்ணுலகில் மனிதருய்ய துன்பமிகு துயரகல அயர்வன்றில்லாச் சுகம் வளர அகமழும் தொண்டர் வாழ அன்போடு தென்திசை நோக்கிப் பள்ளி கொள்ளும் அணியரங்கத் திருமுத்தடியார் தங்கள் இன்பமிகு பெருங்குழவு கண்டு யானும் இசைந்துடனே என்றுகளோ இருக்கும் நாளே.
In this Pasuram, Alvar describes the beauty of Perumal and how he comes because of Karuna from Paramapadam down to the Ikshvaku Vamsam. And then what was he doing in Paramapadam? He was taking care of all of the Chatur was there, and he was taking care of all of the universe, and he was doing that. And he came to please the king Ikshvaku when he prayed to him, and he came with a Pranavakara Vimanam, which is there in Srirangam even today. Why did he come? He came to Mannuya Manulagil Manisaruya, that is to protect this earth and to protect the mankind. And that Arangan was given by Lord Rama to the brother of Ravana, Vibhishana, after he killed Rama, after Rama's Pattabhishekam. And Tunbamiga Tuyaragala, he came to relieve all the Jivatmas from their sadness, from their difficulties, and to take care of them, and to make all of us enjoy him and lead a life of joy. Agamagirum Tondar Vada, that is to give bliss or joy to his bhaktas. அன்போடு தென்திசை நோக்கி பள்ளி கொள்ளும் அணியரங்கன் திருமுற்றத்து. That is, Bhagavan is facing the south as he promised to Vibhishana. And when will I get that day to pray to him? உடனே என்று குலோ காண்டும் நாளை கண்டு யானும் இசைந்து, I will also be a part of that Bhagavan. உடனே பெருங்குழு கண்டு யானும் இசைந்து, I will also consider myself among one of those who was blessed, that is Adiyar. I will be blessed to be a devotee of this Bhagavan. When will that day come? This is he is praying to him.
திடர்விலங்கு சுடர்பொன்னி நடுவு பாட்டு திருவரங்கத் தரவணையில் பள்ளி கொள்ளும் கடல் விலங்கு கருமேனி எம்மான் தன்னை கண்ணாரக் கண்டுகக்கும் காதல் தன்னால் கொடை விலங்கு விரல்தானை கொத்தவள் வாழ் கூடலர்கோன் கொடை குலசேகரன் சொற்செய்த நடவிலங்கு தமிழ் மாலை பத்தும் வல்லாள் நழுந்திகள் நானடி கீழ் நன்னுவாரே.
Alvar finishes this Pasuram singing about his love for Perumal and what is the palan, on what is the effect when one sings these Pasurams. Emberuman Sri Ranganatha is lying on the Adiseshan inside the Srirangam temple with the Pranavakara Vimanam on him. Srirangam is a beautiful place. It is an island town with river Kaveri, on the banks of river Kaveri. That Bhagavan has the color of ocean, and Kulasekara has composed these 10 Pasurams with a desire to see him and enjoy his and enjoy Bhagavan with his eyes. And Alvar has a white canopy and a shout and a shining sword which is always victorious and magnanimous. Those who recite these 10 songs composed in Tamil will attain the divine feet of Emperuman who has abundance of auspicious qualities, sadgunas, because of Bhagavan's karuna. When you sing these songs, one will get moksha. He will be at the lotus feet of the Lord. This Alvar has sung all of this with so much of Sringara Rasam. That is, his love for Perumal is expressed in so many ways by describing the Perumal and his gunas and his Kalyana gunas. That is Sringara Rasam in first Padika. When he is away from Perumal, but he wants to be with Perumal and see, so he is longing. That Tabam is bringing out all the love for Perumal. He is also singing about Perumal's beauty.